If you're seeing a Photoshop AI error like something went wrong or we've encountered an issue, don't worry. In most cases, this is not a permanent problem. It's usually caused by a server outage, expired or exhausted generative credits, a broken internet connection, or even VPN and firewall settings blocking Photoshop from reaching Adobe's AI services. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back to using Photoshop AI without the frustration. And if this guide helps, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes and creative tutorials. Let's start with the most common fix, refreshing your Adobe account connection. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and click your profile icon. Sign out of your Adobe account completely, then sign back in. This simple step can refresh your AI service tokens and reconnect Photoshop to Adobe's generative tools. After that, open your Adobe account portal and check your generative credits. If your monthly credits are used up, Photoshop AI may stop working or throw an error message when you try to generate content. If you've run out, you may need to wait for the next billing cycle or review your plan to see what's included. Next, check whether the issue is coming from Adobe's side. Sometimes Photoshop AI errors happen because the Firefly or Generative AI servers are experiencing maintenance or temporary outages. Go to the Adobe System Status page and look for any alerts related to generative features, Firefly, or Photoshop services. If Adobe is having a server issue, there may be nothing wrong with your computer at all. In that case, the best solution is to wait until the service is restored and try again later. Now let's move on to network-related fixes. VPNs, proxies, and strict firewalls can block Photoshop from connecting to Adobe's AI endpoints. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and test Photoshop again. If you're on a work or school network, firewall rules may also interfere with the connection. Make sure Photoshop is allowed through your firewall and that your internet connection is stable. Even a brief connection drop can trigger the "something went wrong" message during AI generation. If the error still continues, update Photoshop through the Creative Cloud app. Older versions, including outdated beta builds, can have bugs or compatibility problems with Adobe's AI features. Open Creative Cloud, check for updates, and install the latest official version of Photoshop. Once the update finishes, restart your computer and try the AI feature again. A fresh update often fixes hidden issues that cause these errors. Another very effective step is resetting Photoshop preferences. This can clear out corrupted settings or cached bugs that might be interfering with AI functions. To do this, restart Photoshop while holding Shift, Control, and Alt on Windows or Shift, Command, and Option on Mac. When prompted, confirm that you want to reset preferences. After Photoshop reopens, test the AI tool again and see if the error is gone. If you still have issues, check your GPU settings. Corrupted or outdated graphics drivers can cause Photoshop AI features to fail, especially when using generative tools. Open Photoshop, go to Preferences, then Performance. From there, try toggling Use Graphics Processor on or off depending on your current setting. If it's enabled, disable it and test the feature. If it's disabled, enable it and try again. In some cases, simply switching this setting can solve the problem. It's also a good idea to update your graphics drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, depending on your system. So to quickly recap, if Photoshop AI is giving you an error, first sign out and sign back into Creative Cloud, then check your generative credits, verify Adobe server status, disable VPNs or proxies, update Photoshop, reset preferences, and review your GPU settings. One of these fixes usually solves the issue. If this tutorial helps you fix the Photoshop AI error, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful Photoshop tutorials, and share it with someone else who might be stuck on the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.